Good evening mga kapatid! Ang episode namin ngayong gabi ay tungkol sa make it your own, do it yourself o ang tinatawag nga nilang sariling sikap. Dalawa po ang magiging guest co-host ko ngayong gabi who made it on their own. Dito lang yan sa It's More Fun with Philip! Ang lifestyle show ng Bayan! Ang makakasama ko po ngayong gabi ay isang TV actor at host, gwapong-gwapo, machong-macho, si Victor Aliwalas.
Good to see
Victor,
you.
Hi, Victor.
Salamat sa introduction, ha?
Salamat. Thanks for being here.
It's a lot to live up to.
And of course, if you're here, we also need a very beautiful and tall lady.
That's a good thing.
Right?
Right.
Okay, syempre makakasama pa rin po namin ang first princess ng Miss World 2012, si Ross Misa.
Hello,
Hi
Philip.
there, hi
Hello,
there.
thanks for having me. Thank
Wow.
you. Hello.
Hello, nice to meet you.
meeting you.
Oh, let's sit
Wow.
down, let's sit
Hello.
down.
I want to sit down
I
because she's
know,
so...
what's your height?
I stand 5'11" without heels, but now I'm wearing it. I feel like I'm 6'3".
You are. What are you busy with?
I just finished passing my crown to my next successor for Miss World. So it was a year full of a lot of activities for Miss World Philippines, and then we were doing promotions for this year's pageant. So we got tied up with our contract and our commitments because it's not just being a beauty queen, it's a job.
Where did you grow up?
Actually, I was born and raised in the States. So from age 3 hanggang 24 sa New York po ako.
Ah, talaga?
Yes.
So now, what are you doing here?
Well, actually, my contract with one of the networks just ended. So I actually just finished also. I'm hosting a show called Appetite Wars. That's via the Mega
Appetite
Group.
Magazine, yeah.
Yes,
And then
Appetite
you do it
Magazine.
with Victor Basa
Correct,
of
correct.
My Husband's Lover fame.
So we don't cook per se. We just host and help facilitate the challenges.
But I'm sure you know how to cook. I mean,
Pwede
after
naman.
watching
Oo
all of
naman.
those chefs put
Actually,
together a
You get to
meal,
learn
di ba?
something, yeah. from
I'm sure
the shows
marunong
that
ka
you
na
do.
rin Mamaya magluluto tayo.
Noon pa. Yes,
Oh,
magluto
Mamaya,
tayo.
perfect.
Okay.
So anong nasa loob ng lifestyle show natin
Ay,
tonight, Philip?
ganda. Good question. Okay, we're gonna start with Project Pi. I'm so excited
Wow.
about this. It's a place in Las Vegas. It's a brand from Las Vegas. Now it's all over the US. They brought it here. Ang first branch nila nasa Shaw Boulevard, yung dating site nung Laurel Mansion, doon. Okay, you can put all the toppings on your pizza and the
Sarap.
price
Oh my
remains
God,
the
wow.
same. Okay, so you guys know about Cubao X.
Yes,
Yeah.
we've heard of it.
Diba? I mean, it's the one of the last remaining original structures in Cubao. It used to be called Marikina Shoe Expo. So, but now there are less shoes and more art galleries, antiques, like flea market finds, and then at night
Interesting.
it becomes like Malate. And then later on, Victor and I are going to cook. We're using that Royal
So
Brands
do I get to
patis.
taste that? Or
Yeah, we'll
Dapat.
make you taste. Why
Yes.
not? Yeah. You know,
Taste
it's also healthier. It's called the healthy patis. Tayo, di ba? Meron tayong gagawing feature sa Flawless.
With Flawless,
Mamaya.
of course.
Yeah, syempre, pag beautification, kailangan kasama natin si
Beauty
Ross.
queen.
Of course.
Okay, so
I'll teach you
umpisahan
what
na
I know.
natin. Umpisahan na natin ang show natin with Project Pi. What's your favorite pizza?
With a lot of
Toppings.
cheese. A lot of cheese. For me, just cheese or vegetables.
Di ba it's a
sarap
4
yan.
cheese pizza normally or a 4 formaggio. Here they have 5. I'm sure tayong lahat parang excited na uli kumain ng Project Pi na pizza, lalo na siguro yung mga viewers. Kaya pakita na natin sa kanila. Let's watch it. So how exciting! Ikaw ang nagdala dito ng Project Pi from the States and you're rolling out.
That's right.
Okay, so please tell everybody what Project Pi is all about.
Well, to begin with, Project Pi is a US and American brand. It's all originally from Hillcrest in San Diego, as well as in MGM in Las Vegas.
O habang nagkukwento ka sa kanila, kakain ako ha.
So if you notice, it's 4 slices, it's artisan pizza. And the reason we brought that in is because we wanted to bring to the Filipino consumer a different kind of pizza. It's something that is artisan, it's something that's fresh, it's something that they are empowered to build and design the way they want it to be. If you notice, when our guest comes in, we start with a dough ball, our machine press it to 9.5 inches, and then they pick their sauce, their cheese, their meats, and their vegetables. So our guests are totally empowered to build and design their pizza.
I know, you know, and it's really amazing na you only have to wait 2 minutes, tapos your pizza's done.
That's why the best thing to do is fresh from the oven, is really get your hands into it and go for the pizza.
I've been here for like less than an hour and ang daming tao and they all come and go, they come and go. You know, and everybody leaves, they're happy. Well, I'm happy because the pizza tastes great and I'm only tasting one flavor pa lang. There you go. So what did you think of that?
Actually, nakakauhaw talaga yun.
Nagutom ba kayo o nauuhaw?
Gutom
Nauuhaw
na
kayo?
ako.
Actually, ako nauuhaw ako doon.
You want water?
May tubig ba dito?
May
Oh,
tubig ba?
tubig daw. Tubig, please.
Tubig po.
Tubig. You know what? The best part here is hindi lang tayo yung tumitikim ng mga masasarap na yan. We also give our audience the opportunity to try it.
Yes.
Okay, so ito na yung portion ng show na mamimigay tayo ng
Prizes.
gift checks. Oo. Ang tawag sa nila actually nickels. Nickels yung pinamimigay nila. Ipe-present doon. Tapos may libre ka nung pizza na yon.
Exciting.
Okay, so ito lang po ang sasagutin yung question.
Alright, mga viewers, ito po yung question natin. Anong pangalan yung pizza joint na feature natin kanina?
Ganon lang po kadali yun. Nakikita nyo po ang aming Facebook at aming Twitter dyan sa inyong screen. Kaya sumagot na po kayo. Bilisan nyo po at baka maunahan kayo. Okay, wag po kayong aalis. Madami pa po kaming ipapakita sa inyo. Pagbalik namin, dito lang yan sa
It's more fun with Philip.
ang lifestyle show ng bayan.
It's more fun with Philip would like to thank Oski Cabezas for Philip's Grooming, Zen Institute, Westwood Dental Clinic. Many thanks!
Nandiyan na ba yung water natin? Nauuhaw pa rin ako sa nakita ko kanina.
Tubig po.
Water, please.
Okay, mga uhaw na to. Kailangan mabigyan na ng tubig. Kasi ngayon naman, tatakbo naman tayo papuntang Cubao X. Di ba ngayon nandito tayo sa Success Lounge dito sa may Tomas Morato. So malapit-lapit lang naman yung Cubao
Lapit lang
X.
yan.
Oh, alam niyo ang ganda ng Cubao X kasi ang daming finds. May mga gallery, so madaming mga artwork. Tapos madami rin silang mga flea market finds. You know,
Wow.
like trivia from the 80s, the 60s, you know, things that you
Daming
want to find.
vintage.
You know, like the soft drinks from before.
I'm
Pwedeng
interested to
pwede.
see that kasi mahilig ako dun sa mga makalumang bagay tapos ngayon mo lang makikita.
Tsaka yung makalumang bagay na yun na pwede mo i-integrate sa makabago mong
Of
buhay.
course.
One
Sa
stop.
panuorin natin.
Of course.
Okay? Mamaya na kayo uminom? Okay lang? Wala pa
Gusto
naman
natin?
yata yung tubig eh.
Ang konti.
Di ba? Wala pa. O, sige,
Sige,
manood muna
kaya pa.
tayo nito. Ang nakikita nyo sa likod ko, yan ang Cubao X. Isa yan sa mga hidden gems dito sa Araneta Center sa Cubao. Magdi-discover tayo ng mga antiques at mga flea market finds sa loob. Kaya samahan nyo po kami at makikita nyo ang transformation ng Cubao X from morning at pagdating rin ng gabi mamaya. Tara! Tapos biruin nyo, si Tirso Cruz, from 1975. Bata pa niya. I can't see. Yung mga bata, na hindi inabot yung telephone na rotary. Ganito po dati tumawag sa telepono. Ay, nahulog na si Kenkoy. Ganito po yun. Tapos, meron pong iniikot dito dati. Ditong typewriter. Black and white pa yan. That's a nice way to... Old. Do you have any... Tingnan nyo to. Old Coke bottles, oh. Di ba ngayon ang tawag na nila dito sakto? Correct. O ngayon, nung araw yan. Tapos ito dati. Dati to Choco Vim, may gatas dito, may chocolate sa ilalim. Tapos hahaluin mong ganyan bago mo inumin. Ang Cubao X kasi dati, ang tawag sa kanya, Marikina Shoe Expo. Parang dito dinadala yung mga... Siyempre, ang Marikina kilala siya sa paggawa ng sapatos, di ba? So, dito dinadala yung mga sapatos, dito sila ini-expo at dito ka mamimili. Years na kayo dito?
30 years na po.
30 years? Wow! And you only look 32. 2 years old kayo nag-umpisa? Sabi nila, di ba, pag malaki ang paa, mahaba ang daliri. At kaya ka binibigyan daw ng malaking paa para magamit mo ang mahaba mong daliri. Alam nyo yan? Dito sa Bilinis ninyo mahahanap ang orange cake, yung sinasabi ko sa inyong napakasarap na cake. And voted yan as one of the Philippines' best Italian restaurants. Dito nyo yan mahahanap, dito sa Cubao X. Masaya dito, masaya open air, lalo na pag hindi umuulan, masarap talaga to have a drink, di ba, after a hard day's work. Kaya sana mamaya pagkatapos nitong taping, join din tayo sa kanila, di ba? So, what did you think?
Ang dami naming nakitang mga magagandang bagay at gusto kong talagang puntahan yung Cubao X na yan.
Gusto ko yung mga lumang bottles, yung mga
Oo.
parang lalo na yung old jewelry. Di ba like for you, the old jewelry, then you mix it with your newer
With the new
jewelry.
ones, oo.
Di ba? Tapos kahit sa bahay mo, di ba yung modern, tapos lalagay ka doon ng mga lumang Coke bottles.
And sometimes, pag mas luma siya, mas maganda siyang tignan. Yung vintage
Oh,
look, kahit sa
true.
mga bags.
Pag lahat kasi
accessories.
pinagtabi-tabi mo, lahat luma, mukha siyang antique shop. Pero yung pag kumuha ka ng mga items doon, tapos linagay mo sa
Oo.
modern mong furniture, di ba? Parang lumilitaw
May
siya.
accent ka doon,
piece.
of course.
Di ba? Anyway, magluluto na naman kami ni Victor. After talking about food, magluluto kami ni Victor gamit yung Royal Brand patis. Tsaka
Nice.
muna, mamaya naman tayong dalawa magpapa-beauty.
Oh, sige,
Okay?
sige. I'll wait for you.
Ah,
Lulutuan
okay.
niyo ako,
Aalis
ha?
dyan ka lang, ha?
Oo, dito lang ako, I
Magluluto-luto lang
promise.
kami ni Victor.
Yung healthy
Okay.
Royal Brand,
Yes,
diba?
let's
Iba
go.
yung patis nito daw.
Let's go, Victor.
Alright.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye. Oh my God. Kuya, yung tubig ko, please. Mainit. Nauuhaw ako.
Hello, ako po si Victor Aliwalas.
At ako naman, si Polly Florendo.
At ako, si Philip Abadisio, at kami ang Men in Black na magluluto ng may patis. Ang Royal Brand patis. Ito yon. Hi, Polly.
Hi, Philip. How are
So,
you?
Victor and I are here, and I know we're going to make some dishes using your Royal Brand patis.
Yep.
What is the difference now with this patis?
Well, this patis is actually unique in itself. It's healthy patis because it has a lowered sodium. So
good.
that is what makes the product very special. And we'd like to share something really
I
interesting to
know
everyone.
gagawa tayo ng dalawang dish. Yung unang dish is called mango prawn salad. We're just going to combine all the ingredients together. And so now that our appetites are wet, maybe you can do the honors and put the patis and do the mixing, and then we'll all do the tasting.
sodium ho to.
And then a dash of sugar para
So sweet, sour na may salty.
To neutralize the
Yeah.
the saltiness.
Yep.
Okay, so this is the shrimp shrimp
mango.
salad.
Yeah.
Next, we're gonna do a catfish salad. Catfish po ay hito. Napakasimple po nito, basta may Royal Brand patis po kayo. So first, you put the honey, and then you put some olive oil, siguro mga 2 tablespoon, and then some calamansi. And then, we're going to put in the vegetables. Ito po ay lettuce, tomato, carrots, and singkamas, turnips. So, ito na po yung hito na fried. Tapos, inano siya, what do you call that? Parang you minced it.
Minced a bit.
Yeah. And of course, let's not
Ingredient.
forget, in the end, we need to put the Royal Brand patis. Okay, tell me when to stop. Stop.
Okay?
Oh, so ang sarap ng mga kinakain natin, no? Alam mo, dito sa show natin, palagi kami nag-share sa mga viewers. Hindi lang yung parang kami lang nakakatikim. So ito na yung portion na mamimigay naman tayo ng samples ng Royal Brand patis sa mga audience, di ba? Galing? So
Galing.
ito lang po ang sasagutin yung question.
Anong pangalan yung mga dishes dito?
Kahit isa lang po dyan sa mga dishes na yan.
Kahit isa lang?
Yeah,
Ah,
yeah.
okay.
Okay, nakikita nyo po ang aming Facebook at ang aming Twitter. Yan na po. Game na po. Sagot na po kayo. Salamat, Polly, sa pagdalo mo sa amin at pag-share mo ng Royal Brand patis.
Salamat din, Philip, for inviting us over to present our product.
So for more information, visit stylerpa.com. At kaming dalawa po ni Victor ay babalik pa rin. Kaya wag po kayong aalis. Dito lang yan sa
It's
More fun with Philip.
ang lifestyle show ng bayan. Ang RPA ay para sa real, personal, and all that style. Ngayon, kung meron kayong negosyo na gusto nyong palaguin at madaming tao ang makaalam nito, yan ang kakayanan ng RPA. Pwede namin kayo ilagay sa dyaryo, sa magazine, ipalabas sa TV, at ilagay sa internet. Mas madaming taong nakakaalam sa negosyo nyo, mas madami kayong sales. Yan ang kakayanan at yan ang magagawa ng RPA. Hi, Ross!
Hello, Philip.
Hey,
Good to have you
guys!
back.
Welcome back to the show. Kung kanina po nakita nyo kami ni Victor na nagluluto at kumakain, ngayon naman, kaming dalawa ni Ross, ang aking pretty host,
Thank you, Philip.
ay magpapapayat. Kung paano yan, di ba, ipaprovide ng Flawless. May bago silang treatment, Ross.
Yes, ang tawag dito ay ang shape and sculpt
Yes.
treatment.
And all you need to do actually is lie down, tapos meron silang ginagamit na
Malalagyan-
cavitation
yes,
machine.
yes.
At saka yung linagay na gano'n, yung parang may
Yung
electric.
cavitation, lipocavitation.
Di ba? Tapos meron din silang mga nutraceuticals na iinumin mo for faster fat burning.
Yes,
Di ba?
yes.
I'm sure marami po sa atin, di ba? Because we want to lose our tummies, our
Or to tighten it.
or our hips, di ba?
Yes,
Or
oo.
ang tawag dito yung bat wings,
Yes,
di ba? Yung mga
yes.
ganon. So meron program ang Flawless na Shape and Sculpt para ma-address yan.
Of course.
So panuorin po natin ito. Welcome back to the show. Flawless is a new procedure called Shape and Sculpt, and pinapadali po niya para sa atin mag-lose ng weight at makuha natin yung desired figure na gusto natin. At kasama ko ngayon si Dr. Marcos from Flawless Makati para ikwento niya sa atin paano maa-achieve ito.
Ang Shape and Sculpt, it's a type of machine. Actually, sa Flawless, iba siya compared sa ibang slimming, they call this, slimming machine of other clinics. Ours has this 4-in-1 revolutionary technology, which has first yung ultrasound cavitation, we have the bipolar radio frequency, tapos meron din yung interference frequency, Then combined with a fat loss diet, nutritional supplements, and yung workout. Yung procedure itself depends on the body area being treated. So first, yung ultrasound cavitation, and then there is the bipolar radio frequency or RF, tapos yung muscle toning or the interference.
Mainit po yun?
Yes sir, mainit po yung radio frequency. It heats up yung mga taba para mabilis siyang ma-eliminate sa body.
Mag-melt.
Yes.
Yung init na yun, tolerable ba siya or kailangan niya ng anesthesia?
No naman po. Usually, meron pong gauge. Tine-grade naman po siya kung ilang level yung kaya ng patient.
And then after 45 minutes, meron na ba siyang visible results?
Yes, the patients can lose as much as 1 to 3 centimeters per area.
And so kung paulit-ulit mong gagawin, let's say once a week mong gagawin, so yung result talaga, di ba, a lot of inches will be trimmed down from
Yes,
your
sir.
waistline or whatever area it is.
Yes, sir.
Normally, ano pang areas ang pwedeng paggamitan ng shape and sculpt?
Pwede rin po siya sa chin, sa arms,
Double chin,
yes, lower
arms,
back,
bat wings, lower back,
tapos thighs.
love handles.
Naku, Philip, parang gusto ko ring itry yun. Parang gusto ko pa ring
Sexy mo
ma-maintain.
na nga
Hindi,
eh.
kailangan pa marami akong floss.
Ako kailangan ko niyan every day,
Kailangan pa natin
daily,
magpa-sexy.
every hour. Anyway, sige sabihin natin sa flawless,
Oo
balik
nga,
tayo doon,
cool
no?
tayo nun. Ang ganda-ganda naman nun.
Pero alam mo, ang pinaka-importante, more than us, syempre important rin tayo,
To
pero
share.
kailangan natin mag-share sa
Oo,
kanila.
to the
Kaya mamimigay
viewers.
rin tayo sa ating mga lucky viewers ng gift checks para
Gift
masubukan
certificate.
nila yung shape and sculpt.
At
Okay?
para mapalalunan nyo ito, sagutin nyo lang ang tanong na ito. Ano yung kaka-feature lang na treatment ng flawless ngayon? Ano yung nakita nyo? Anong pangalan nito?
Kakasabi lang po namin noon pag
So kapag
hindi nyo
nasagot
pa
nyo
alam.
yan, mananalo kayo ng gift certificate
Oo.
from
At
Flawless.
nandito po ang aming Facebook at Twitter, okay? Diyan po kayo sasagot. At pipili po kami ng lucky viewers. Malay nyo po kayo yan. Kaya sumagot na po kayo ngayon. Teka muna, nasa na nga ba si Victor? Kailangan na natin yung tawagin at
Hello,
magkwekwen-
hello, I'm
Oh,
back.
there you
Oh,
are.
he's
Kumusta ang
back.
Where'd you
flawless
come
nyo?
from?
Ito, ang ganda ng offers ng Flawless ngayon.
Nakainom na
Lang,
ba
ah.
kayo?
Actually, hindi pa.
Grabe naman yung tubig. Saan ba manggagaling
Tubig,
yun?
please.
Tubig.
Nasaan na
Tubig
ba?
po.
Tubig daw. Ano ba? Dito sa show, hindi lang tayo namimigay ng premyo, okay? Nagbibigay rin tayo ng information. And Victor, igigrill natin ngayon
Ay.
si Ross. Ang tawag namin dito sa portion na to ay kwentuhang kumot. Di ba?
Okay.
Under the sheets, tapos you share your secrets. You know, remember nung bata tayo, parang nagte-tent-tent tayo sa
Yes,
ilalim
yes.
ng kumot?
May mga flashlight pa.
Oo, yun,
May sleepover,
exactly.
mga
Yeah,
Sige,
yeah.
Game, ha?
O sige,
Tapos
sige.
tayo lang naman makakaalam. Wala namang makakaalam dyan.
Ay, ganun ba?
Ah, ganun ba?
Oo. Ilabas ang kumot!
Uh-oh.
Nung bata ba kayo, naglaro rin kayo ng ganito sa ilalim ng kumot?
Actually, nare-reminisce ko na nga ngayon eh. Kasi parang it's the same thing na nangyari dati.
Di ba?
Parang
Mga
tent siya.
girlfriends ko, di ba?
Di ba tapos meron kang parang flashlight?
Oo, tapos cookie
naman.
night, and then may mga teas kayo.
Tapos pag malaki ka na,
ganon.
flashlight na.
Oh,
So ikaw, paano ka na-discover, Ross?
I was in college. Gusto ko talagang sumali ng beauty pageant. And even yung nanay ko, sinasabi, supportive talaga siya, my mom. So after I graduated ng college, sumali ako ng Binibining Pilipinas. That was my first pageant na sinalihan. And then after nun, hindi ko nakuha yung crown talaga na gusto ko. So nagtrabaho muna. And then pagbalik ko galing Singapore, nagtrabaho ako sa, I joined Miss World Philippines 2012.
Tapos yun na, naging first princess ka.
Naging first
Paano niya
princess
binago
ako.
ang buhay mo?
Na ang gusto ko sa Miss World noon, ang dami kong nakilalang friends. You know, yung network ko lumaki, tapos sabayin, ang dami niyang binigay sa amin ng opportunity to, alam mo yun, na matulungan yung mga ibang tao.
Meron ka bang boyfriend?
Ikaw meron?
Meron.
Ikaw? May boyfriend ka din?
So, ang
Ako?
sagot doon meron kasi hindi mo
No
masagot.
comment.
Hindi si Victor, si Ross. Sabi ko kaya hindi niya
Ba't ka
masagot, ibig
na-guilty
sabihin
doon? Bakit ka
meron.
na-guilty dun sa tanong namin?
Ikaw, sinong boyfriend mo?
Ikaw, sinong boyfriend mo? Ay, girlfriend mo?
Girlfriend ko, non-showbiz.
I see.
So kung wala kang boyfriend ngayon, bakit kakahiwalay mo lang ba?
It's a long story, pero
O
ayoko
shorten
na
it na lang.
Basta, duwadating naman dun sa point. I mean, my boyfriend is, isa lang siya sa whole life ko. I only had one
How
boyfriend.
long were you together?
4 years.
Matagal
And
na
then you
yan.
recently broke up?
Parang something like that. It's really a long, complicated
Question
thing.
lang, dahil yung pageant,
Hindi.
Does
Okay.
it have something to do
Maraming differences,
with
yun na lang.
differences or not third party?
No naman. It's just, hindi lang nag-work. We had a lot of differences, ganun. So, bakit mo naman ipipilit yung isang bagay kung ayaw na talagang mag-work? And yung logic ko, kunyari, baso to, di ba? Tapos nahulog na. Why would you try to put it together?
Ba't nahulog? Ibig sabihin merong...
Sobrang na,
Well,
hindi
ano
na.
yun, merong something na nangyari na para mabasag.
Pwedeng something like that. Or, alam mo yun, may mga dumadating naman talagang problema sa isang relationship na hindi mo maiiwasan.
What's your
Pwede.
most embarrassing moment?
Sa funeral of my friend of mine na namatay yung brother niya, but it was like a long time ago. Everyone was quiet, everyone was sad, everyone was crying, and then I was about to go to my friend para sabihin sa kanya na send my condolence. And then on the way there, hindi ko nakita na basa yung floor. So pupunta ako sa kanya, I was like, sis, ganyan-ganyan. I don't do split, but that night, nag-split ako.
And then lahat ng tao nakatingin sa
In
isang
front of
5'11 na
everyone.
babae, nag-split sa loob
Tapos
ng
lahat
funeral
sila
parlor.
talaga napatingin sa akin,
Hindi ka
tawa
na-
sila ng
sakit
tawa.
yun.
I
Hindi ka
felt
na
like,
headline?
I felt like, sabi ko, you didn't hire a clown, di ba? Pero napatawa ko sila, even just for 5 seconds.
Diba?
Masakit.
Masakit.
Hindi ako nagsisplit eh. Pero after nun talaga palapit ako sa'yo. And then, Victor, tapos biglang nag-split ako.
Dulas eh.
Okay, hello! Wow,
Init.
good morning,
Init.
people.
Welcome
Are you
back.
guys okay?
Actually,
Oh,
the first
diba?
time na experience ko ito.
But wasn't that fun? Hindi ba masaya? Madami tayong natutunan kay
Oo.
Victor. At ang napaka-funny and embarrassing moment ni Ross.
Nauuhaw ka ba?
Oo, saan bang tubig natin?
Kanina pa
Oh,
ako.
nga, saan ba yung
Ng
tubig na yan?
eh.
Kanina pa
Tubig.
yan. Ayan na yata. Ayan na, finally. Ayan na.
Thank
Parang
you.
pagod na pagod ka. Saan ka ba galing? Sa Paranaque?
Sa Green Hills pa po.
Ah,
Mainit
talaga?
pa.
Na-traffic
Ah,
ka
kaya
ba?
pala
Here.
uminit na yung tubig.
Ladies first.
Thank you.
There you
Thank
go.
you.
Okay, salamat at makakainom na po sila ng tubig na galing pa ng Green Hills. Nandito kami ngayon sa Tomas Morato.
Traffic kasi.
So thank you so much, Ross,
Thank you,
na
Philip.
pinaunlakan mo
Thanks for having
kami
me.
at nagpunta ka dito sa aming set at
course.
nag-guest.
Anytime,
At
anytime.
salamat sa lahat ng shinare mo.
Thank you also.
And of course, thank you, Victor.
Maraming salamat.
Thanks
It's
for your
nice meeting
time.
you.
It's nice meeting you also.
Alam ko pareho kayong super busy, pero nandito kayo at nag-share kayo sa aming mga viewers.
Yes,
Of
thank
course, we
you.
enjoyed
Thank you,
it.
Philip.
Thanks
Masaya,
for being
masaya naman
here.
dito.
Kayo naman po dyan, mga nanunood. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Next week, mas marami pa po tayong mga ma-enjoy na moments. Kaya, kita-kita uli tayo. Dito lang yan sa...
It's more fun with Philip.
Ang lifestyle show ng bayan! Okay, sabi nila, ang babae daw, pag nagkaroon ng bad breakup, nagiging open daw sila sa pagrerelasyon sa kapwa babae.
Ay, hindi lahat. Kasi ako hindi. Ayoko. Ikaw ba, pagka nakipag-break ka sa girlfriend mo, open ka sa relation sa isang
Absolutely
lalaki?
not.
Sabi ko babae, hindi ko naman sinabi
Pwede rin naman mangyari sa lalaki yun ah. Ikaw,
Hindi,
Victor, be
normally,
honest.
Absolutely not.
normally daw babae.
Hindi, ayoko.
Ano ba itong
Ayoko
conversation
talaga.
ito?
Ayoko talaga.